Good morning, dear student. Today, a rhyme lesson for you, and the lesson is, the rhyme for you is rain. A rhyme about rain. Look at this picture in your book, and here is a rhyme for you. Now I am read aloud the rhyme and you just listen to me. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Little Johnny wants to play. Little Johnny wants to play. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. You just follow me. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Little Johnny wants to play. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. So you just follow. And now I am reading one line and you read the another line of the rhyme. Rain, rain, go away. Little Johnny wants to play. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Okay? Just recall this rhyme and read at home 2 to 3 times and remember the rhymes. So here is some questions for you. Before going to discuss the question, let us know the difficult word of the rhyme. Then rain means वर्षा. वर्षा में देखिए जो समझते go away. go away माने दूर को चली जावा. Little means small, smaller, shorter. Play माने खेलिबा. खेलबा खेलिबा. Come again, come माने आस. Again माने पुणी थरे बा आउ थरे दा. Another day. Another day माने अन्य दिन बा next day. So dear student, here is a poem, and now I am elaborate or discuss the poem in Odia language also. Rain, rain, go away. Little Johnny wants to play. Come again another day. This means rain, rain. A child or the poet describe about the rain, and the rain. What happened when the child is playing? He wants to play, and he say, rain, rain, you go away, because this child wants to play. अर्थात से वर्षा वर्षा तू दूर को चली जा. तू जो वर्तमान वर्षा हो तू दूर को चली जा. लिटिल जॉनी बा छोट जनी जे छोट पिलाटी से wants to play से खेलिबाकू चाहूची से खेलिबाकू चाहूची तेणु करी तू दूर को चली जा एवं पुणी कौन करिबो कम अगेन अनदर डे तू अन्य आउ दिने ए वर्षा झड़ी वर्षा है कि तू वर्षा है कि आसीबो आउ दिने काहे ना वर्तमान जनी खेलिबाकू चाहूची आउ से खेलिबाकू जाउथबारु वर्तमान तू वर्षा तू बहुत दूर को चली जा। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट तो ताहले आम मैंने ये पोएम टी गोटे बहुत छोटिया पोएम अच्छे ये छोटिया पोएम टी को छोटिया राइम टी को आम घर मन करके आसवा आउ काली आम समस्ते व्यक्तिगत भाव में जन जन करी ये राइम टी को आम विद्यालय रे समस्ते जन जन करी कहबा। हियर इज सम क्वेश्चन फॉर यू हु सेज रेन टू गो अवे the poet or the mother or the father of the Johnny? Who said? The little Johnny wants. Who said? The poet say. The poet say that rain go away. Okay. Number 2. Why does she wants to rain to go away? The little Johnny wants to rain go away. Who will come again another day? The rain will come again another day. Okay. Next, here also a poem about rain. Session 2, a poem, another poem. Another poem is a poem about rain. A poem about rain. Please look at your book. A poem about the rain. Look at your book page number 14 पेज मैंने पृष्ठ बहिर देखो हियर इज ए पोएम यू रीड आई एम रीड द पोएम साइलेंट लाउड रीडिंग एंड जस्ट यू फॉलो मी। The rain is raining all around, it falls on field and tree. The rain is raining all around, it falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the sheep at the sea. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree. And rain on the housetop but not upon me. Once again. The rain is raining all around, it falls on field and tree. It rains on umbrella here and on the sheep at sea. Rain on green grass and rain on tree. And rain on housetop but not upon me. So, dear student, you also learn the poem and I am going to read the first line and you also utter the second line of the poem. In this way we continue this poem and you remember this. So the rain is raining all around, it falls on fields and trees. It rains on umbrella here and on sheep at sea. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree and rain on the housetop but not upon me. So let us discuss some new words. Some new words of the poem. What are the new words? Last poem in rhyme also we know the meaning of rain. What is the meaning of rain? Rain means varsha. फल माने पड़िबा पड़िला फील्ड माने हला पड़िया ट्री माने हला गछ अम्ब्रेला you know the meaning of umbrella? Who save us from rain? Umbrella. Save us from rain. Umbrella means like na? Umbrella means chota. What is the meaning of umbrella? Umbrella means chota. Sheep Ship means जहाज. Sea means समुद्र. Green means सबुज. Green is a color. Red, white, yellow, and also green means सबुज. सबुज रंग बा आमे जहाँ भी कहूँ सागुआ रंग बोली. Grass means घास. जेतले पड़िया रे प्रथम वर्षा पड़ी जाइसी आउ प्रथम वर्षा पाई सला परे पड़िया रे छोट छोट दुब बा घास कळी थाए सेटा कहा जाय ग्रास. टॉप माने ऊपर, upon me माने मो ऊपर. So you write the difficult words on your note copy, and now I am going to elaborate the poem. First line. The rain is raining all around, it falls on field and tree. यार अर्थ है the rain is raining all around. All around the surrounding, the rain is raining on the surrounding. वर्षा चारियाडे पडुची, वर्षा चारियाडे हेउची. It falls on field and tree. एटा कोठे से वर्षा जोटा होची को आडे सेटा पडुची. एटा falls on field and tree. पडिया रे मध्ये वर्षा होची एवं गछ ऊपर मध्ये वर्षा पड़ी पड़ी आसुची. Dear student, look at this picture. This rain is raining and it falls on the field and also falls on the tree. So next line, it rains on the umbrellas here and on the ship at the sea. वर्षा आउ केउठरे होची. It rains on the umbrella here. Umbrella माने छता, छता ऊपरे मध्य. देखो पिला माने, look at these pictures, and in this picture the rain falls on the top of the umbrella. Umbrella रो ऊपरे the rain बा वर्षा पडुची. वर्षा पड़ी साला पर सेथिरे कोन होची. देखो वर्षा पडुची and on the ship at the sea. सेही बढ़िया समुद्र जहाज मध्य अछि, से जहाजर ऊपर मध्य वर्षा पडुची. Rain on green grass and rain on the tree. नेक्स्ट कोन कहिची rain on the green grass. से वर्षा पुनी देखो पिला माने से वर्षा पुनी से सबुज घास ऊपर चित्र रे जो देइची हम बही चित्र रे सबुज घास ऊपर पुनी से रेन बा से वर्षा पुनी पडुची. सबुज घास ऊपर से वर्षा पुनी पडुची. एंड रेन ऑन द ट्री. गछ ऊपर मध्य वर्षा पडुची. एंड द रेन ऑन ट्री एंड रेन ऑन द हाउस टॉप बट नॉट अपॉन मी. तापरे व्हाट सेड द रेन. कवि कहउचंती जे रेन घरर छात ऊपर ऑन द टॉप ऑफ हाउस. घरर छात ऊपर मध्य वर्षा पडुची. एंड नॉट अपॉन मी. किंतु मो ऊपर वर्षा पड़ो नहीं. ओके, हियर इज नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू discuss some comprehension question is there. There are 5 number of comprehension question. Let us discuss the comprehension question. What is the poem about? What is the poem about? The poem about the rain. Okay. Number 2. Where does it rain? Say the places and things. Where does it rain? Say the places or things. The teacher frame 4 more similar questions. Where does it rain? It rain falls on tree, on field. Okay. Look at your text and answer. Next. Why does it rain on the child poet? Why does it rain on the child poet? Because it inside the house or he inside in the house. How many times rain is used in the poem? Just count how many time the rain is used in the poem? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. The rain is used in the poem or 6 times. Who is me in the poem? The child or the poet is me in the poem. Okay? Next, in session third, VMDT, we also discussed about the VMDT process. In last class also, visual memory development technique. Some words are there. Follow the poem, you recall and imagine, develop your imaginary thought by recalling the poem or remember the poem. Next one, comprehension activity. There is comprehension MCQ, write the correct alternative of the complete sentence. Here is the rain is raining on dash. You answer in the field. Look at your book on field and tree. So answer is field and tree. Answer is field and tree. Next, raindrops fall. Raindrops do fall on dash. Raindrop fall on where? Raindrop fall on where? The poet and the child. Okay? And then standard one, you write the recall and remember the standard one poem writing. You write here and first paragraph and second paragraph here. You answer. You see your books and you write down here. Listening skill. In order to develop the listening skill, your teacher will read aloud the poem and give a tip. And rain on green, you also fill up this channel in this way. Okay? You complete the homework and write down in your note copy, in your notebook also, my English book also, and come to school another day. Okay? Next session, we will read the follow-up lesson. There is a follow-up lesson about the next chapter, about the follow-up lesson. Follow-up lesson. Okay? What do you see in a rainy day? Just recall, what do you see? The rain is falling from the sky. We see what we see. So here is also a follow-up a poem for you, and the poem is rainy day. Rainy day. Rainy day. Rainy day. You also know about the poem rainy day. ପିଲାମାନେ ମୁଁ କେତୋଟି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ପଚାରୁଛି। ରେନି ଡେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଉଛି ବା ରେନି ଡେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଉଛି ଆମେ କ'ଣ ପିନ୍ଧିକି କ'ଣ ନେଇକି ଘରୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହେଇକି ଯାଉ? କ'ଣ ନୁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଛତା ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁ। ଛତା ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିସାରିଲା ପିଲାମାନେ ଏବେ ସମସ୍ତେ ରେନିକୋଟ୍, ବର୍ଷା ହେଉନି ବୋଲିକିରି ରେନିକୋଟ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ମିଳୁଛି, ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଯାଉଛୁ। କେତେବେଳେ ଟୋପି ପିନ୍ଧୁଛୁ ନାଇଁ କି? ରେନିର ସୁଜ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ବା ରେନି ଡେରେ ପିନ୍ଧିବା ପାଇଁ ଜୋତା ମଧ୍ୟ, ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ଜୋତା ମଧ୍ୟ ମିଳୁଛି। ଆମେ ସେଇ ଜୋତା ମଧ୍ୟ ବେଳେବେଳେ ପିନ୍ଧିକି ବାହାରୁ। ତ ସେଇ ସବୁକୁ ନେଇକି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ପଏଟ୍ ବା ଯିଏ କବି ବିସ୍ତାରିତ ରୂପରେ ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ସେ କବିତା ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରିଛନ୍ତି। କବିତାଟି ହେଲା, I put on my coat and boot on my feet. I put on my hat and walk down the street. The rain falls down from the clouds and above, making bubbles on water. Each what I love. Here is a rainy day, a poem also. I put on my coat and boot on my feet. I put on my coat and boot on my feet. I put on my hat and walk down the street. The rain falls down from the clouds above and making bubbles on water, each one I love. See, next time. I put on my coat and boot on my feet. I put on my hat and walk down the street. The rain falls down from the clouds above, making bubbles on water, each one I love. So here, this poem also you remember and just follow me. I am read the first line and you read the second line. In this way we continue the process. What after what we did before. You just recall and remember the poem once again. So in this poem also we know dealing with some new words, or you may say some difficult words are there also. What are the words? I put on my coat. Coat মানে আমি যেটা পিন্ধুছো boot, feet means feet means পাদ. Feet means না পাদ. Put on my head. head মানে হলো টুপি. टोपी कोटी पिंधा जाए टोपी put on head. Walk down the street means road or रास्ता में जाकर कहूँ. The rain falls down. Rain fall माने वर्षा तले पड़ुची. Clouds माने CLOUD. Cloud माने मेघ. Bubbles माने पानी पटका. BUBBLES. Bubbles माने पानी पटका. And making bubbles on water and hot side love. जोटा मते भलो लागे. So let me explain the poem. I put on my coat. मु वर्षा होची मु मो कोट पिंधिकी बा मो वर्षा दिनिया शर्ट पिंधिकी बाहरी पड़ली एंड बूट ऑन माय फीट आउ मो पादरे मो जोता पिंधिकी बाहर गली. आई पुट ऑन माय हेड एंड वॉक डाउन द स्ट्रीट. तापरे मु रास्ता रे चलिबा को आरंभ कली. एंड देन पुट ऑन माय हेड मो मुंडरे मु टोपी मो मुंडरे मध्ये मु टोपी पिंधि देली. एंड वॉक डाउन द स्ट्रीट. तापरे मु रास्ता रे चलिबा आरंभ कली. The rain falls down. Then after what happened? The rain fall down. से समय वर्षा मध्य पड़ुची. From the clouds